Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Okay, so in this particular video, we are going to be looking at one of the most common problems that people face. Okay, and that is the MT4 and MT5 no connection error. Now, if you have ever opened your MetaTrader platform and you see that dreaded no connection message in the bottom right corner, okay, let's just do a little experiment right now. All right. So let's say you open your terminal and you see that no connection at the bottom right. Don't worry, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to fix it step by step. So the first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, right? As you can see, as I switched off my internet connection, the no connection appeared, right? As I switched it off, and I opened the terminal again, you can see it appeared. So now that my internet connection is back on, you can see that I have connection, right? So the first thing is to check your internet connection. It sounds basic, all right? But sometimes the problem is as simple as a weak or unstable Wi-Fi signal. It might not necessarily be that you are not connected at all to an internet source, but maybe the network is not strong enough or something like that, okay? So you want to check that, okay? And then make sure you are connected to a reliable internet source before moving forward, all right? The next thing you want to do is to check your login details, okay? So you go to File. At the top left of your platform, you click on Login to Trade Account, all right? And then you want to confirm that you were using the correct account number, all right? That is the login here, right? You want to confirm that you were using the correct account number. You want to confirm that you are using the correct password, okay? And you want to also confirm that you are using the correct server provided by your broker. These three things are very important. None of them should be incorrect, all right? A small mistake in any of these details can cause the no connection error, probably because if you are unable to put the correct details, you will not be able to access the account, right? So now one of the most common reasons for this issue is selecting the wrong server. When logging in, make sure you are choosing the exact server, the exact server name given to you by your broker. For example, now this broker is HFM, right? And you can see that there are different servers. If the account I opened is server 4, live server 4, and I went to select live server 5, maybe by mistake, it's not going to work, all right? So you have to use the exact server that was given to you for that particular account. If you're given server 10, make sure you use server 10. If you're given server 12, make sure you use server 12. If you're using server 9, make sure you use server 9. Whatever server name that your broker uses, okay? Depending on, your broker's style, right? Select exact server that was given to you for that particular account, okay? If you are unsure, you can log into your broker's client area or contact support to confirm the correct server. Now, if that doesn't work, try refreshing the connection, okay? Try refreshing the connection. Let us go to our navigator, all right? Navigator panel where your accounts are listed, and then just, rescan your servers, all right? Can even log out and log in again. Maybe the problem was not the wrong server or a wrong password, all right? So just go back to your navigator and rescan your servers, or maybe log out and log in again. So this will, while you're trying to rescan your servers, this will force MetaTrader to search for available servers and reconnect, okay? So another important fix is to update your MT4 or MT5 platform. So maybe if you have been getting that prompt to update your platform, but you have been ignoring it, probably it's time to just proceed to updating it, okay? Because you might not know if the current version you are using is what is causing the connection error. So just update your terminal, right? If update the platform if you get the option, okay? Outdated versions can sometimes create connection problems, probably. So you head to your broker's website or the official MetaTrader site and download the latest version, or if you get a prompting to update, you just proceed with updating it, okay? Installing updates might resolve hidden bugs that cause errors. If it is still not fixed, let us check your firewall and antivirus settings, okay? So sometimes security softwares may block MetaTrader from connecting to the internet, all right? So you want to go into your firewall settings, all right? You want to go into your firewall settings and make sure that MT4 or MT5 is allowed access, okay? You want to go into your firewall settings and ensure that MT4 or MT5 is allowed access. So adding the platform to your whitelist or exclusions can solve the issue, okay? So you can just go to your firewall settings and make sure that there is no restrictions for MT4 or the MT5 platform, whichever one that you are using. Now, if you are still facing problems, try reinstalling the platform completely, okay? Just uninstall it and install again. Uninstall the MT4 or the MT5 completely and then reinstall a fresh copy from your broker's website, all right? So after logging in again with your correct account details and server, the no correction error should be gone. At least it should be gone. If you have tried all the steps and then you are still getting that no connection error, then maybe you can try using another device to see if there is a hidden issue with your device. All right, if you have tried all these steps, just try using another device just to be sure that the problem is not from your broker or from your account. Okay, so now finally, to prevent this problem in the future, always save your correct login details and server information. Keep your platform updated, and if you ever change internet networks, double check your connection strength before trading. So there you have it, multiple ways to fix the MT4 and MT5 no connection error. Start with the basics, walk through these steps, and you'll have your problem, solved, or have your platform back online quickly. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials and guides on trading platforms. Drop a comment if you've had this issue before and let me know which fix worked best for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.